Sometimes you'll get to the point in the loan manager where you have several different schedules between the same lender and the same borrower. That's okay, but at a certain point you want to consolidate those schedules so you just have one going forwards. It makes it easier than having several different monthly payments that you have to track and that you have to either make an online transfer or write a check for every single month. There are two schedules here in the loan manager, schedule example and my first schedule, that are between the same lender and the same borrower. We want to consolidate these schedules and just have one schedule going forward. So first we pick one, doesn't matter which one, we go in, go to the amortization tab, and pick the payment that is closest to the date we want to consolidate. In this case, we want to consolidate on January 1st, 2017. January 3rd, this payment on January 3rd is closest to the first of the year, so we select this payment amount, and yes, we want to modify. So it adds an extra cash flow line at the first of the year. So I'm going to change this to January 1, 2017, and I'm going to get rid of the remaining two cash flow lines. Click Update to get rid of those two lines. And now when I calculate, the loan manager will calculate the payment it would take to pay that loan off as of January 1st. That amount is $45,833.33, and you'll want to write that number down. Of course, your number may be different. And I'm going to click Amortize to get an updated amortization schedule. Everything looks good here, and we're ready for the second schedule. Go to Schedules, and this time we're going to go to My First Schedule and do the exact same thing. Go into the amortization, pick the payment that's closest to January 1st. In this case, that's going to be the payment here on January 4th. Yes, we want to modify it. We're going to change the date to January 1st and get rid of the last two payment lines. Then click Update to update the cash flows list. Then we're going to click Calculate. And now this gives us the total payoff as of January 1st for My First Schedule. That's $18,623.51. So use a calculator to add those two numbers up. You get the total of our consolidation, $64,456.84. Do the amortization to update this schedule. And this is how this schedule will look all finalized. Now we create a new schedule for the consolidation. The name of the schedule, we're going to call it Consolidation 1. The description, it's a consolidation of schedule example plus My First Schedule. It's good to include the notes on what you consolidated here. The lender is going to be the lender, same lender of course, the borrower, the same borrower. The interest rate you can change on a consolidation. We'll go ahead and keep it the same, 8%. Compounding period at monthly. And then save. Now for the amount of this loan, that's going to be the $64,456.84. The date of the loan we need to change to be the first of the year. January 1st, 2017. And payments, we probably want to start on February 1st. We'll change this date. You can either type in the dates or use this date picker to get the date you want. Great, so now the loan starts on January 1st and the payments start 1 month later, and we can figure out what those payments are, or we can put in, let's say we want a payment of $2,000 a month, and we want the loan manager to calculate how long that's going to take to pay off. We'll click the Calculate button. So we're going to have a payment of $2,000 here and a final payment of $2,804 on January 1st, 2020. Now, what if I don't want this extra payment amount? What if I want to make another $2,000 payment and then pay off what's left the following month? Well, I can do that. Just come up here to the quantity, change it from 35 to 36, and then down here in the date field for the next month, I push it out 1 month to February 1st, 2020. I recalculate, and the loan manager will refigure the amount for that last payment, $809.70. That looks great. Click the amortize button, and here is our consolidated schedule. Now, we still have two schedules that we already consolidated. They're still listed here under schedules. To archive those, we just click to open each one, go to the settings tab, click the archive button and save. And now we'll go back to schedules and do the same thing for schedule example. We're no longer using these schedules, so what the archive does is it keeps all the information, but it doesn't show it by default in the schedules view or on the dashboard. So we just see the loans that are active in these two areas. If you want to get back to the archive schedules, you go to schedules, click the archived option on the search, and then click go, and all of your archive schedules will show up here. That way you don't lose the information. It's still on file, but it's not cluttering your everyday workspace.